Hello lovely friends, in today's video I will be showing you how to do this beautiful flower. Before we start,
welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. Welcome to Maggie B's Family TV.
This is the flower you just saw. I'm going to show you how to do it now. You might have watched it in different places, but let me show you how I do mine. To start, I picked two blue. I'm going to be using, can you see, 0.30 fishy line, and I'll be using these two color of size 2 or 11/0 sand bead. So I will pick two, 1, 2. I pick 2 of the blue, I let it drop, and I'll pick 15 of the red. So this is what I have, and I will tie in a circle. Not too tight. You have to tie 4 times. To start the flower, I pick 15 red and 2 blue, and I tie here. You see, I tie. So that means 17 beads in total. So I will come out from one of the blue and pick 2 blue. I enter the blue. I pick 2 now. I will enter the next blue. You know, not from under but from up. I will drag. So this will not be my point. And then I pick 1 red. It's only the blue I enter. I will pick 1 red, skip 1 red, and enter the next red. Such work is called peyote stitch. So this is what I have. So this is how I will go around. Pick 1 red, skip 1, and enter the next red. So I'm going to go around like that, and I will show you when I get to where I have the blue. So now I'm closer to the blue now. See, my needle is coming out from here. I still have 1 red that I will skip because it's peyote stitch. Then there is 1 blue under. I will enter the blue under. That is how I do my own, and I will come out of the top blue. Yeah, and then I pick 2 blue and enter the next blue here, like this. I pick red. I will enter, skip the blue under, enter the red here. So this is how it is now. And then pick red again. Then I fill up all the holes here. Skip 1 again, enter 1. By doing so, you are filling the hole. That is why they call it peyote stitch. So almost close to the blue. I will enter the red here, skip 1, enter the red. This is where my fishing line is coming out from. I only have the blue now. I will still pick red because I must always enter 1 blue. I will skip the first blue, enter the second blue, enter the second blue and come out from the top blue. If I drag, my work has started forming already. You see? So you always have to enter one blue to come out from the second blue so that they will be equal. I will pick 2 blue now. Enter the blue one to enter the next blue. Just one of it, I will enter. So I will arrange it well, make sure that the blue that I'm picking here are almost the same so that the mat will not be shapeless. So I'm out from this blue. I still have one blue under, so I'm picking red to enter the next red. So I have one blue under, I'll pick red to enter the next red and then start to fill the holes. You see? So now skip one, enter, so then I will have to fill the holes again. So this is the next one. Skip one, enter the next one. The one you are skipping is the one that is under. Like now, my thread is coming out from here. There is one under. We are not entering this one. We are entering the top one here. I still need to take, if I come out of the red, I still need to take one red to enter one of the blue close to the one at the tip. You see? So here is where I'm coming out. I skip one for under. Just know that you'll be entering the second one, not the first one, the second one to come out from the first one on top. So this is what I do when I'm here. You see? That is where it will form well. So I pull. And this is what I get. I have picked the blue. I let it drop. I enter the next blue. Yeah. Only one. From the other side, I enter 2. But when I'm going, I just enter only one here. And coming out of the blue, I will pick red. Skipping the blue, I will enter red. You see? I will not enter the red. I will pull. If you look, this one is higher here a little bit, but it has nothing to, because immediately you come back here, you know you are stopping your work, because you add this one, it will not be in the same length. So that is just it. This is how I will continue my work. When I finish it, I will show you the flower. Coming out of here, if I pick red, the next thing I will enter is this one. So I will just be entering all this top bead, all this top bead. Now I have gotten my desired length and my fishy line is coming out on top here. I'll pick 2 again of my blue. 1, 2, and I will enter just one. Okay, I will arrange it so it will be staying well. Now I have it. I pick one of the red. I enter the next red. Okay, so if you look at it now, 1 2, there is nothing on top these two. From the third one, you have red here, you have red here. Okay, so you know it's equal. So the next thing I'm going to do, because mine was having blue, you see, so I'm going to add the blues on top. So now I'm going to pick blue. I'll pick 1 blue, skip the red under and enter the one here. I'm going to fill it up like that all round again. At this point, make sure your work is tight. This is where I tied it. Yeah, so now I work my way through all this place. I will pull, I will pull very well, pull tight, and I will cut. So practically this is what we got. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. You can use it for different things. Bye.